Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to determine the value of a digit. And so we're going to write down this number. Okay, so that is my number. I want you to write it down. Pause the video if you need time. Alright, so now we're going to underline the 7. And before we start, we're going to go ahead and put down our place value for all of these. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay? So now, I want you to draw an arrow under the 7. Write down your 7. Now I want you to count up how many numbers are there behind your 7. And I circle them, and so it's 3 of them. So that means I need to write down 3 zeros. Okay? Now I need to put a comma in here because this is thousand. So I count 1, 2, 3 from the back. The comma goes there. So the value of that 7 is 7,000. Let's do another example. Here is my new number. Okay, we're going to write down our place value for each one of these. I'm sorry, let me get back to my screen. Alright, so this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Alright, so now we're going to underline the 2 this time. Pause the video if you need time. Okay. My next step, draw an arrow, okay? Put the 2 down. We're going to go through and we're going to count up how many numbers are behind that 2. Okay? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That lets me know how many zeros I need to put behind that number. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I need to count for my commas. 1, 2, 3, comma. So the value of that 2 is 200,000. All right, let's do another one. Okay. Alright, so let's go through and let's put our place value. Remember in our song, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so now we're going to underline this 6. Okay. So now I'm underlining the 6. My next step, following what we've already done, draw your arrow, put down your 6, count up how many numbers there are after the 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to go back and put 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need to add in my comma, so I count 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So the value of that 6 is 60 million. And I know that because that 6 is in the 10 millions place. All right, here's one more. All right, let's underline the 3 in this one. Go ahead and put down your place value. All right, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. All right, so I'm only focusing on this 3 right here. So I'm going to drop down an arrow, put my 3, go up and circle how many numbers are behind there. All right, so that means that's how many zeros I need to put. That's 2 zeros. So the value of that 3 is 300. Okay, so now that is how we do the value of a digit. So now you'll have an opportunity to practice some in Nearpod.